Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're back with another video. Today we are actually not in the shop. We are in Seaside, Oregon. Carmen and I just got to Seaside, Oregon for day one of our vacation. So we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. We just checked into our hotel. This little one reserved the hotel and reserved a very fancy hotel right on the beach. So she spent all the money to get the best hotel right on the beach. She couldn't settle for like a little cheap hotel just outside of town, but we're literally right on the beachfront, guys. Our car's parked right up there. We got the CRV, handled phenomenal. Anyways, we are getting ready for a legendary afternoon, evening. We're gonna be walking through the town here. The beach is literally just on the other side of this hotel. We're at the Shallow Inn. Just getting ready to take some pictures. A little bit breezy, but very nice day. It's about 90 degrees or so. Actually, I think it cooled down a little bit on the water, but you can literally see just on the other side of that flag is the beach. Looks like there's lots to do, so we're pretty excited. All right, we're down here on the beach. Beautiful. It is recording, though.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Stop. Gosh.
It's like an episode of Baywatch out here.
You wish.
I'm just waiting for Carmen here to do her TikToks.
I'm not doing TikToks yet. Not yet. Okay.
All right, guys, we're down here on the beach right now. We're just going to kind of check it out. We are going to go down and tour some of the shops here. Check out the beach, see what's going on. A little breezy out here. It's a little breezier than it appears to be, but got lots of kite flyers, people lounging, laying out in the sand, building sand castles. I think we're gonna go hit the town. You ready, baby?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, people live here. It's the shark thing.
Yep.
I know, right? Old time Photoshop.
Oh, that's cool. Let's go on this one. Go ahead, baby. Oh yeah. This is the cool one.
Those things. That wasn't you. Oh, was it you?
Yeah. All those old cans and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So pretty cool. Look at that Shell motor oil.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Well, that's an arcade game right there.
Yeah, right? Old school ones.
Yeah. Probably find your grandma in one of these, baby.
All right, everybody. Who's ready to party?
Oh yeah, we are. Let's do it.
Yeah. Except you guys don't want me drinking. About 10 minutes. And then it's like, did that do this?
And all I know is you're fine when you do what you do. And babe, I wanna make you mine. When I see those hips move, I'm thinking, damn girl, yeah, just let me be your man, girl.
Oh, look at all these signs, baby. Look, baby, they made my own parking sign. Man cave, Princess Place. We should put that by the couch. America's Highway, private property. No pissy attitudes. There's some good signs. Nice. Almost lost you. That's actually kind of funny.
What's it say?
We'd like to party. Shake, wake, and bake. I like this town.
You like it?
Yeah. feel like, oh, there goes that sign.
We tried to get it.
We didn't try very hard.
Smoke right quicker than I
There
thought
you
I
go,
did.
man.
Did you get that on camera?
Look at that thing. They're set up for adventures. Right there, all the way from Texas. God damn.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. Ooh. Sweet little arcade. Oh, look at these little things. Bumper cars, huh? Not a very big course, but that's pretty cool.
We're done. Thank you. No, we're good. We'll give a table to some area to someone else. It's waiting in that long line out there.
How many steps have you taken?
I don't know. I'll have to check. But it said I've done my goal.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever
think they're a celebrity.
I am a celebrity. We racing?
No. It's out of breath. Or did it change? It still says stop.
I don't know. It's probably not, doesn't work.
Oh.
We're waiting for that red light. All right, guys, we just got back from eating dinner. Going back to the hotel. What did we eat for dinner? It's called like Finn's.
Yeah, Finn's. Yeah.
It's pretty good. Had a little outdoor seating area next to like a flame lit table and stuff.
We waited way too long. But
Yeah.
we ate fast.
Waited way too long. Pretty bad service. Well, it wasn't bad service, but it definitely wasn't good service. Anyways, back at the hotel. I'm gonna grab a sweatshirt and go down to the beach. Push the button, baby, push it.
It's not like the flamingo, huh?
You didn't push the button.
I did. Was there a hot tub, baby?
Room's not very big. Got our clothes right there. Bed. Got this new state-of-the-art television. This is nice. Man, I wonder what the retail is on this thing. What we got down here? Got the bathroom. Came with damage on the door. Bathroom's not bad. It's not fancy, but it's clean. Doesn't smell. Alright guys, we got a bag. We're gonna fill it up with some snacks and some drinks. A little change of gear. We're gonna head over to the CRV. Look at that seagull. Hey, what's up? And we're gonna hop in the elevator and we're gonna go down to the beach and kick it as long as we can. It's probably a little breezy.
So it's gotta be condos up there, or what? Are they rentable? Like,
I don't know.
or do people
They all have barbecues though.
Yeah.
Must be rentable because
They all have barbecues. I bet they're like B&Bs.
Airbnbs.
Right, Airbnbs. They rent them out.
And then, don't touch my present.
I accidentally made a hole in it.
Don't you touch it. Don't do it.
It's got a zipper on it.
Her birthday's on Wednesday in 2 days. I told her if she peeks at that present, as soon as she opens it, I'm returning it.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
There's not even any ice left. Okay. There's no ice left. We might as well dump this. Not here though, but when we go into town tomorrow, we'll dump it. Garbage. Should I just wait until we stop at the gas station for empty garbages?
Yeah.
Got stuck in there.
All right, our hotel is like the perfect location. It's literally right here, right on the beach. Good job, baby. Look at the sand. Alright guys, I just had to delete some clips, free up some space in the memory card, which I should have done yesterday before I came, but I didn't, so I just had to clear up some clips. We're down on the beach right now. We found a cool watchtower we're sitting in front of. There's no lifeguard on duty right now, but I'm assuming there probably is on the weekends or something. So there's our hotel right behind that American flag and that pier. We brought a towel to sit on. We got our bag. We're actually keeping track of all our things. What are we doing here?
That's what I did.
All right, so we're kind of keeping track of how much we spend on this vacation, which we've already kind of estimated mileage and fuel costs and stuff, but just for future reference, we're trying to see how long a almost 2-week long binge on vacation is going to kind of run us for the future for as far as planning. So,
and we have our must-sees.
Yeah, and we got a list of some things to do in all the towns that we're going in. We're actually going to not only Seaside, Oregon, but we're actually going to LA in California. We're gonna go see Hollywood, all that good stuff, and then we're gonna tour on over to Vegas and do the Vegas thing and kind of take our time coming home. So right now, first stop is Seaside, Oregon. Here we are. We're gonna try to sit here as long as it takes to see this sunset come down. I think in the next 45 minutes to an hour or so, we'll probably see this sunset. It's a little breezy down here, but it's not really cold at all. Feels good. Just a very light breeze. It's like not enough for a hat to blow off or anything really blowing on the beach. It's just a little light breeze. But I like this place a lot more than Ocean Shores. Yes.
For sure.
We got some snacks. What else you got there, baby? What do you see? Ooh, we got some Red Bull.
You're gonna have this one.
Gotta have the coconut berry.
You can have that one.
All right.
Or this one.
She taste tested this for me.
Or this one.
Okay, I'll take this one. It's bigger.
Bigger is better.
Mm-hmm.
Lots of kites.
Feels good. Ocean Shores was cold.
But that was also in April, right?
Yeah, it's true. Coconut berry.
I can't throw it close enough.
Here, let me try.
It's like it smells it though.
Oh, he's gonna get it. There he goes. They're not as brave as the one in Ocean Shores.
I know, right?
Oh, he's walking over here.
He is. Oh, he's gonna.
He's going. I don't want my friends to see me come over here.
He's gonna get this one that I just threw.
Yeah. He doesn't want his friends to see him. He doesn't want to be suspicious because he knows if he runs over, they'll.
Oh, right
That's
there.
not what we threw, dude. Oh yeah.
It smells it though.
He wants a Slim Jim.
Look.
Oh yeah, some nacho cheese Slim Jim.
Oh, we didn't eat it.
Oh yeah, it's nacho cheese. That's a Mexican seagull. It's a Mexican seagull, baby. He likes nachos.
Look, he's gonna go for the other one.
Oh, see, he got suspicious. His friend's seen him.
Where they try to be like, oh, he almost caught that.
Got it.
Mouth.
Oh, now all his friends are coming.
Hey, that's what I wanted. Look at that one. He's like,
Oh, baby, you have a friend.
I know, the music stuff.
Then we'll get copyrighted. Oh yeah. Oh.
He got that on film.
That was gangster. Oh.
Should I get this guy one? Look at this one coming.
There, they all got one.
Look at
Babe, you're gonna have a problem here soon.
I got a few.
We're surrounded by seagulls.
Oh, look. You see how fast
Wasting my whole Slim Jim.
it was $1.25 at the dollar store. It's the best investment because I'm entertained. Look at them. They're all like, oh, look. They're like, look at me.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he caught it.
Did you
Nice.
get that on video?
Yeah. Baby, you keep throwing it to the same bird.
Look at that one.
You're favoring the brown bird. You just favored the Mexican bird. Give the white bird something to eat. White birds like nachos too.
Come here. Come here. Oh. Spicy. I just want to wait a minute. Watch him just stare at me.
Yeah, you've created a problem. Oh, he's coming right up to our... He's gonna try to take our bag. The white one's gangster. He's just trying to come up here right now. He's trying to pull a strap out or something.
It's funny that they don't make eye contact with you either. They don't.
Well, he's looking at you, baby.
Well, they're looking that way.
He likes short Mexican women.
Watch. Pretend like I threw something.
They're quick. They got them bird instincts. They can see from high up. They
Like I see a jerk.
They can see their prey. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna get him this way. Oh. Oh, look at this blonde color.
We should have brought a loaf of bread or something.
Oh, that one almost caught it. They're so stingy too. Okay, I'm not giving them any more. So I don't got no more.
They're kind of picky. They're all
They
like...
like the beef stick though. They probably like that more than candy or other things that people throw. See how long till they go away.
I think you got buddies now, baby.
That one just yelled at that one.
All right, sun is down. We're downtown again. It's all lit up, looking good. Trying to find like a little pub or a bar or something. Catch a drink, maybe some food. None of these crosswalk things are working.
I know, but you said we have to wait till the light's red, then we go, right? Right? Don't we go now?
Huh, might as
The
well.
light's red, right.
Just don't get
They're
caught
not
up.
gonna tell us. It's not gonna tell us when to go. We just have to go. You go when the light's red, right?
We're criminals now, baby.
No, we're not. It doesn't change. I don't want to ask anyone where the nightlife is here because they'll probably think we're swingers. They probably will. Where's the nightlife
We aren't?
here? No.
Babe.
No. No.
All right, we're crossing the street right now. Oh, look at the G-Wagon. The G-Class, baby. Is that Raptor liner on that thing? Damn. This is actually where we ate dinner earlier. Looks pretty good.
Hopping now.
Good little vibe. Yeah, that's totally Raptor liner on that whole G-Wagon. I don't know if I could have done that to a G-Wagon. All right, so that was kind of a bust. I didn't film inside the bar because there's music playing. Didn't want to get copyrighted. But
that was the best customer service we've had though on our whole trip
Yeah.
so far. The bartender was
nice
amazing.
bartender. So we were thinking we were going to be out here at least till about midnight or so, but it's not looking like there's much going on, so we might head back and I don't know, maybe we'll go to bed and get a good start in the morning, or maybe we'll see if there's something else going on over here. I wouldn't mind an elephant ear right now.
But they're not open, baby. Gonna go hot.
All right, one thing we kind of noticed is when we were walking back to the hotel, it's kind of like misty, kind of like foggy. It almost looks smoky or something, but I don't know what that is. If you guys know, please leave it in the comments. We don't live next to a beach like this, so I don't know if it's like mist from the water, from the tide coming in or what. But anyways, we're almost back to the hotel. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning. I mean, 10 o'clock at night. Yeah, no, we didn't exactly go hard on our first day on vacation, but it was still a good time.
Oh, no, it is, because I can taste I just got sand in my mouth. I just bit down and I have sand in my mouth.
I think that was a bug, baby.
No, I think that it's the sand from the beach coming up.
Okay. Sand. We want to go up.
Look at the camera. The beach.
Oh yeah, wow.
It's like our kids are in the room.
If Leo's Market, you'll see it should be the only thing open
It's like we left our kids in the room and we're just looking for alcoholic drinks. He's like, oh no, we just left our kids in the room. We're just looking for alcoholic drinks. We want to go to a store.
Almost at the capacity.
I know. But it doesn't say 250, but it's 2,500.
Yeah.
Close though.
Ow! You're looking all over the place, creeped out.
Huh?
That's what that other door goes to.
Yes. That room.
That's what that other door goes to, baby. Somebody could break in here tonight.
There's no deadbolt.
I am the deadbolt, baby. Anyways,
Yeah, until I fall
we're
asleep.
back in the hotel.
Back to the
I think we're
hotel.
gonna pretend like we're gonna stay up all night, but we're probably getting ready to go to bed. We might turn on this fabulous TV and see what kind of picture we got. But anyways, day 2 tomorrow. I think we're gonna try to make it out to Cannon Beach. And we probably won't go to the Tillamook cheese factory or anything like that until Wednesday when we're heading out. But anyways, like this video, leave a comment down below if you can. If you haven't
Smash the
yet,
like button.
hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.
Like LeBron, though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky.